Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Cabral, just giving you a quick lesson on author's purpose. So, when an author writes something like a book, a newspaper article, a magazine, even online information or online stories, they have three main reasons why they would write that stuff. So it says authors write for one of three reasons. Use PI to help you remember. The P in PI stands for persuade, I stands for inform, and E stands for entertain. So, to give you a little clearer definition of those, persuade, the author is trying to convince you of something. They are trying to give you information and get you to agree with their opinion, or they're trying to get you to buy something. Advertisements are a great example of text that is meant to persuade. So they want you to buy their product. It's the best one. Have the shiniest car if you use this special car soap, or this restaurant has the best burger in the whole town. So they're trying to persuade you to come to their restaurant. Some other examples of persuasive writing, or author's purpose being to persuade, are your opinion papers, or the story I Wanna Iguana, where the little boy keeps writing letters to his mom and telling her why he thinks he should have an iguana. Another story you might have read, I Need My Own Room. They're trying to persuade their parents to do something for them. Then, inform. The author is teaching you about something. They're giving you information. So remember, way back in October, we read the book Spiders, and that gave us all kinds of information about different types of spiders. We just last week read Sharks, and that gave us all kinds of information of different kinds of sharks and where they live, what they eat, what they look like. So teaching us about sharks. Another example are those Who Was books, like Who Was Abraham Lincoln? They're giving us information about a person, about their life. A biography is a great example of informational text. So something that is author's purpose is to inform. And the last one is entertain. And most of our reading is to entertain. So, books like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Junie B. Jones, Pete the Cat, all that we're really looking for is listening to the story, making us laugh, making us happy. Maybe it's a silly story. Maybe it's a serious one, like our, trying to think of a good example. The Grinch, that's also another example. It's meant to be funny and kind of entertain us, but it also can make us think a little bit about being greedy or being generous. So there you have it, the author's purpose: persuade, inform, or entertain. Have a great day, boys and girls.